In this video, I will show you how to create multiple YouTube channels with only one email. First, click on your YouTube profile on the top right. Then, select YouTube Studio. From there, look for the Settings option. Click on it and a new menu will show up. Next, select Channel. Now, select the Advanced Settings tab. After that, scroll down to the bottom and find the Manage YouTube Account link. Click on it. On this new page, you will see the associated email to your channels. Now click on the Add or Manage Your Channel link. Select the Create Channel button and give your new channel a name. Once you are done, click on the Create Channel button and you can repeat this step as many times as you want to create multiple channels.